Hey guys, so Doggy did start pumping a little bit. BTC actually just crossed that 40,000 level again. But yeah, Doggy's pumping again. And we haven't even crossed the 4-hour MACD, which is kind of exciting because once that 4-hour crosses, if we're at, if we're still at a cent and that 4-hour MACD crosses, I definitely think we can hit 2 cents, man. By that point, I'll probably be up like, another, I don't know how much, 4K, 5K, whatever, right? But if we do hit 2 cents and we actually pass 2 cents, I do think we're well on our way to hitting a fucking dollar, which sounds insane, right? But it's definitely possible, especially right now. But like I said, Doggy is pumping a little bit. This probably means that Lil Yachty sold all of his fucking shares like right here. That's why we're all the way back up to like over a cent and shit. But anyways, just wanted to update you guys. Doggy is pumping. Super happy that we're up here in the 1 cent level and the 4-hour MACD hasn't crossed to the bullish side yet, which means that when it does, we will pump pretty hard, more than likely all the way back to previous highs for the year, possibly go all the way up to like 2 cents. And if we do cross over on the 2 cent level, then I do think 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, $1, that actually might be pretty possible. Maybe not soon, but maybe sometime later this year or the coming years, or the years to come, right? But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what's happening right now.